Okay, folks. So in computer programming today, you guys made programs that made your initials. I'm going to do the same thing. I'm going to type it in this text editor that I like to use and then copy it into the Turtle Graphics thing. So every logo program probably should begin with CS and home. Okay. And what I'm going to first do is I'm going to pick the pen up and I'm going to turn right. No, make that left 90 degrees. And I'm going to go forward 275. Then I'm going to go left 90 degrees and forward 275. And then I'm going to turn right 180 degrees. So that's going to put me in the bottom left of the screen, somewhere down here, facing up. So I'm going to put my initials right here. Okay, let's clear this. Okay, so what is 275 times 2? Oh, 550. Okay, so what I'm going to do is put the pen down and go forward 550. And then I'm going to turn right 90 degrees. Now that puts me in the top left of the screen, and I'm going to start doing the zigzag for the M. So I want to repeat that probably about 11 times. So let's see what this looks like here. I want to do repeat 11, and I want to go forward 10, left 90, forward 10, let's see, forward 10, no, right 90 is there, forward 10, then left 90, and then I want to check to see if this is actually working. So I copy it into here, paste it in, and then run, see what it does. Okay, so that looks pretty good. I could probably do this maybe twice as many times. So I'm going to clear that. So let's do 22. If I put this into here and hit run, okay, that looks pretty good. Yeah, and let's see. So now what I'm doing is I'm facing that way. Now what I want to do is turn left 90 degrees and then do that again. So I want to turn left 90 degrees, and I actually want to repeat this twice. Repeat 2, this whole thing. And let's see where that puts us. Run. Oh yeah, okay, but I'm facing to the left here. I want to actually be facing down because I got to finish my M. So let's see here. I want to turn left 90 degrees. And then I want to go forward 550. Okay, so that's all for the M. Let's see. Run. Yeah. But it looks to me like I'm too far to the right. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to move everything to the left a little bit by going a little more forward here. So I start off and I go forward 275. So I want to probably go forward like 425. That should move everything a little bit to the left. Yep. Okay, this looks pretty good because now I can make my P. And let's see. So I go down to the bottom here, and I'm facing down. So I want to pen up, turn left 90, maybe go forward 40, and then left 90. Then And I want to go forward. Let's see here, not. Let's see, that's 22 times 10. I want to go 210. So I want to leave 210. 550 minus 210 is 340. And then I want to repeat 4. Forward 220. Right 90. And then I want to hide the turtle. And I think that should do it. Let's take a look. Copy it in. Run. Oh, did I not put the pen down? Oh, I picked the pen up. That should be pen down. There it is. It looks like it goes a little bit too high there. Looks like I'm about 10 off. So let me see what's going on here. 275. 540? Did I not go? Oh, this should be 330. There we go. And that should be penned down. Save. Copy. Paste. Run. There we go. That lines it up nicely. MP, Mr. Pellegrino. And that's that. All right. Thanks for listening. Bye.